Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by powering and preparing the devices. First, charge the case and earbuds to at least 50% so they won't drop mid-pair. Next, install the Skullcandy app because it can update firmware and simplify controls. This helps avoid later connection quirks. Then, enable Bluetooth on your phone and stay within about 3 meters. Distance matters for initial discovery. Once done, open the case with earbuds inside and keep the phone screen visible so you can accept any pairing prompts immediately. Open the charging case and remove the earbuds to force pairing mode. Watch the LED flashes as they announce readiness. On your phone, scan Bluetooth devices and tap the Skullcandy Indy EVO entry. If a PIN appears, accept the default or 0000. Make sure only one Skullcandy device is in discovery to avoid conflicts. Once paired, open the app to finish any firmware install. This fixes bugs and improves stability. Then assign touch controls and confirm left. Finish by testing audio and music and a call to verify microphone routing and left-right balance. Play a song and try a call to confirm both sides work. If you can't pair, reset the Indy EVO by placing them in the case and holding the button for about 10 to 15 seconds to restore factory defaults. This clears stale pairings. If problems persist, make sure the app is reinstalled and clear your phone's Bluetooth cache or restart the phone. That usually resolves hidden pairing or audio routing conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.